now a single free throw away from becoming the NBA's third all-time leading scorer.
Step aside, MJ. The Mamba has moved right on by him. Kobe Bryant has passed Michael Jordan and is now number 3 on the NBA's all-time scoring list.
This is a great moment for the league. And what a thing for him to share with his teammates as well. Kobe's a great player. It's really an honor to be here now at this moment to see history. He deserves everything he gets, and I think it's really classy for the Minnesota Timberwolves to stop the game and allow him to have this moment that he so richly deserves.
Quite a moment for the lifelong Los Angeles Laker.
Yeah, I mean, what an amazing career he's had. And to think that it's still going, that's the important thing. That with all of this, as he passes Michael for third all time, he's still going.